Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ayan guys, we have our new hairstyle for today's vlog. Ayan, gugupitan ko ang aking sarili. Yes, start now! Oh, see, inikot natin konti ang ating buhok, talo na sa may bangs, then ginupitan lang natin. Ayan guys, so ongoing na ang ating paggugupit sa ating sarili. Wow! Yes! Isa pa guys. Ayan. Oh, yes. First stage. Tapos na. Matatapos na ang first stage natin. Ayan. Kailangan makapunta tayo sa stage 1 and stage 2. Yes. Oh, tapos na ang stage 1. Kailangan natin ng stage 2 para mas maganda. Ayan guys. Let's go to stage 2. Ayan. Yes, we have our thinning scissor for our stage 2 hairstyling. Yes. Oh. That's real. Yes. See? Very easy to have a new hairstyle like this. Yes. Ayan. Oh, it's done. Oh, not yet. More cut. Yes. Oh, almost done. Almost done. Ayan guys. Oh. Tinitignan pa natin, tine-check natin kung okay na. Ayan. Ayan, tinitignan ko pa kung okay na. O pwede pang bawasan. Ayan, tapos na. At ito po ang aking mga buhok na natanggal. Ayan, marami-rami din. Kasi mahaba talaga ang bangs ko. And here, our outcome hairstyle of mine. New hairstyle. Thanks for watching.